Sports Day, organizing active events for kids. Title: Sports Day, organizing active events for kids. Introduction: 150 words. Sports are an integral part of a child's development, promoting physical fitness, social interaction, and overall well-being. One of the best ways to encourage children's participation in sports is organizing a sports day. A sports day provides an exciting platform for kids to showcase their skills, compete with their peers, and develop a lifelong passion for physical activities. In this article, we will explore the benefits of organizing a sports day for kids and provide practical tips for planning and executing successful active events. Importance of Sports Day for Kids, 250 words. Sports days are not just about winning or losing, they offer numerous benefits for children. Physical activity is crucial for kids' growth and development, and engaging in sports activities helps build strength, improve coordination, and enhance motor skills. Participating in sports also promotes cardiovascular health, aids in maintaining a healthy weight, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity and diabetes. Additionally, sports day events provide an avenue for kids to learn valuable life skills such as teamwork, sportsmanship, perseverance, and goal setting. Planning the sports day, 300 words. Organizing a successful sports day requires careful planning and preparation. Here are some essential steps to ensure a well-executed event. 1. Set clear goals. Determine the objectives of the sports day. Is it to promote inclusivity, encourage friendly competition, or foster a love for a specific sport? Setting clear goals will help guide the planning process. 2. Choose the right venue. Consider the size and layout of the venue. It should be large enough to accommodate the activities and spectators comfortably. Make sure the facilities, such as fields, CKS, and courts, are well maintained and safe for children. 3. Select appropriate activities. Create a diverse range of sports activities that cater to different interests and skill levels. Include both team and individual sports. Ensure there is a balance between competitive and non-competitive events to encourage participation from all children. 4. Establish rules and regulations. Clearly communicate the rules and regulations to participants and ensure they understand them. Emphasize fair play, sportsmanship, and respect for fellow participants. NTS. 5. Safety measures. Prioritize the safety of all participants. Have qualified medical personnel present and establish first aid stations. Inspect the venue for any hazards and take necessary precautions, such as providing protective gear and ensuring proper supervision. Execution of the sports day, 500 words. On the day of the sports event, it is essential to ensure smooth execution to create a positive experience for all participants. Here are some tips for a successful sports day. 1. Opening ceremony. Begin the day with an opening ceremony to build excitement and create a sense of camaraderie. This may include a parade, playing the national anthem, and short motivational speech. 2. Organize schedule. Develop a detailed schedule of events, allowing each participant ample time for warm-ups, competitions, and breaks. Clearly communicate the schedule to participants and spectators. 3. Encourage spectator involvement. Invite parents, family members, and friends to attend and cheer for the participants. Create a supportive atmosphere that motivates the children to perform their best. 4. Recognition and rewards. Recognize the efforts and achievements of the participants. Award certificates, medals, or trophies to winners and acknowledge participation with tokens of appreciation. His fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages children to continue participating in sports. 5. Healthy refreshments. Provide healthy snacks and drinks to keep participants energized throughout the day. Water stations should be readily accessible to keep everyone hydrated. Avoid sugary and healthy food options. Post-sports day evaluation and feedback, 300 words. Once the sports day is over, it is crucial to evaluate its success and seek feedback for improvement. Here's how. 1. Gather feedback. Distribute feedback forms among participants, parents, and volunteers. Their input can provide valuable insights into the strengths and areas that need improvement. 2. Assess logistics. Review the logistics and operations of the event. Identify any bottlenecks or areas for improvement, such as scheduling conflicts, equipment availability, or inadequate facility. 3. Analyze participation. Analyze the participation levels across different events. This information can help determine the popularity of specific activities and assist in planning future sports days. 4. Celebrate success and learn from mistakes. Recognize the achievements of the event while also acknowledging any areas for improvement. Share the positive outcomes with all stakeholders and community. Kate plans to address any shortcomings. Sports days are an exciting and beneficial way to engage children in physical activities and promote their overall development. These events provide a platform for kids to showcase their skills, compete, and develop a lifelong passion for sports. Sports days offer numerous benefits for children. Engaging in sports activities helps build their physical strength, coordination, and motor skills. Participating in sports also promotes cardiovascular health, helps maintain a healthy weight, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, these events teach valuable life skills such as teamwork, sportsmanship, perseverance, and goal setting. To plan a successful sports day, certain essential steps must be followed. Setting clear goals is crucial to guide the planning process. Choosing the right venue, considering the size and layout, and ensuring safety measures are in place are all important factors. It is also necessary to select appropriate activities that cater to different interests and skill levels and establish clear rules and regulations for participants. On the day of the event, smooth execution is key. Beginning with an opening ceremony builds excitement and camaraderie. Developing a detailed schedule, encouraging spectator involvement, and recognizing participants' efforts and achievements are all important aspects. Providing healthy refreshments keeps participants energized throughout the day. Once the sports day is over, it is essential to evaluate its success and gather feedback for improvement. This can be done by distributing feedback forms and assessing logistics and participation levels. Celebrating success while acknowledging areas for improvement ensures a continuous learning process and facilitates better planning for future events. Sports days are a great way to engage children in physical activities and promote their overall development. These events provide a platform for kids to showcase their skills, compete, and develop a lifelong passion for sports. Sports days offer numerous benefits for children. Engaging in sports activities helps build their physical strength, coordination, and motor skills. Participating in sports also promotes cardiovascular Our health helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, these events teach valuable life skills such as teamwork, sportsmanship, perseverance, and goal set. Aim.